Hello again, lockpicking Paul here, and I've got an as yet unopened box of goodies from Tequila Dave. The reason this is unopened is because there is something in here apparently that Dave challenged me to do an out of a packet pick on, and I've never done an out of a packet pick, so this is going to be a new thing for me. And by the way, if I sound a bit husky, it's because I've got an awful cold. But normal service will be resumed soon. This came about from Tequila Dave's offering of an Ankelaz padlock. I've got an RWB pick over here, shiny tool, but I've got no Ankelaz padlock that the tip will fit, so he's offered to lend me his, which is very kind. And that conversation evolved into a, have I got anything else you might be interested in you'd like a loan of? I said, well, anything that's a little bit quirky, but pickable. I'm not looking here to crack any safes or anything like that. And he said, well, I'll send you some oddities that I've got, some stuff that perhaps is difficult to tension, and that's what I think he's put together, which is a package of stuff which is problematic from a tensioning standpoint. Some of them will probably need tools. Now, the lock he said he wanted me to try is the smallest of the pack. I don't know what the lock is, never seen it. He's never told me what it is. And, I don't know. We'll have to see. So I'm going to find out. I've taken all the addresses off, but it's as yet unopened. Because I didn't want to dox myself or Dave, so his postcode's off at the back as well. Let's see what we've got, shall we? He said open it from the light side, but to be fair, I couldn't tell which was which. Right. I tell you what, though, he has packed this up pretty well. Yes, I know I'm drawing a knife towards me, which isn't the smartest thing in the world. Doing stuff on camera is not so easy. Right, now I can get a scissors in there. I can cut that. Right. This has been sitting on my desk all day. I've been getting rather excited by it. And a Felix cat food box. Hang on, I'm just clipped. Right. What have we got? Yeah, there's a couple of bits and bobs in here. Ah, right, yeah, he did say he would include, this is another pick. This one's got, it's a disc detainer pick. It's got an Ankelaz tip on that one. Looks like the shaft on this is bent, actually. So he did mention he thought the shaft got bent. I'll have to have a look at that. Right. Wow, okay. Let's move this out of the way, see what we've got. We've got, it's a tri-lock. Yeah, it's a tri. So I've done cross locks before, but I've never done a tri-lock. That's one thing. I have no idea what this is. Looks like a car. It's a Sparrow's wafer lock. Yeah, some kind of wafer lock arrangement. It's got that's got a core in it, and there's a separate core there. All right, different. And what else we got? This is like the world's smallest cross lock. Maybe that's the lock he was talking about. Yeah, look at the size of that. That is absolutely tiny. Tiny. Right. That could be it. I don't know what this is. Let's have a look. Oh, right. That, I think, is something that's like a van lock thing. It's got, yeah, some kind of tubular lock. All right, interesting. Not sure how that one, yeah, it might be challenging to tension that one. What else we got here? Oh, what is this? So some kind of cylinder thingy. Some locks in here I've never seen before. Okay, some kind of cam lock arrangement. So I'm not sure what to make of that. All right. Tequila Dave badge. Awesome. Oh, right. Okay, this I think might be the... Right, so this is a Burg tiny weird lock. How cool is that? Yeah, okay, I get it. I'm pretty certain this is the lock he was referring to. Okay. I'm guessing, and he did actually mention to me, bottom of the keyway tension. I'm guessing that would have to be an extremely slim tensioner to get in there. But I've got a thought on that one. I think that might be the lock he was referring to. Here's the anchor las he mentioned. Yeah, there we go, an 8-22. So, lots of discs, lots of false gates, I believe, and definitely a step up in the disc detainers that I've been picking. So I'm expecting that'll be a bit of a learning journey for me. Put that away. Wow, Dave, this is quite the... Yeah, and I did think, he did mention, would I be up for this? I think that's the last thing that's in the box. It is. Put it out of the way. So this is a bit of the Big Daddy, I think. This is I believe it's a Fichet safe lock. I think this one might, there's a danger this might be above my pay grade. Wow, look at it, it's even got a movable element in the tip there. It's got a ball. Not sure what that's doing, but it's definitely going to make life interesting. Which way round does this go? Yeah, okay. That is a cool lock. Although, that's going to, I think there's going to be a bit of research involved in this one. Yeah. That one might well be above my pay grade. We'll see. Right. I suppose I better pick a lock, hadn't I? And I'm guessing the lock he had in mind was either the the small quad, or the this little Burg. I'm thinking it's possibly the Burg. So that is, what is that? That is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin by the looks of things. Yeah, 5 pins with just a tiniest keyway. So what have we got that we can tension this with? Let's try these fellas over here. Not that one. Maybe one of these. Let's have a look. See if these can... Yeah, it might do it. It might do it. Gonna need something really shallow. Let's go with a scimitar. we go. Not got much space in there. Just drawing back gently along the pins. Just a quick test to see if there's anything got set. Oh yeah, okay. So lots of pins dropping. So that was setting pins. Whether it was oversetting or not is another matter. Not sure. So those little locks like this, pins can really bind up on them. I'm not sure if that's the right way to tension that or not. Surely what I'm going to... Actually, was I tensioning it? I was going the right way at that, wasn't I? Just make sure I haven't... I think I was tensioning that the wrong way. Yeah, I was. Ha, idiot. Back off the tension a bit just in case one of these pins is really bound up tight. I don't think I can get under that last pin. Definitely got some pins setting there, but I think I can give myself a little bit more space if I try this. Yeah, that might give me a little bit more room to manoeuvre. Let's go with that. Come here. This is Dev's skinny pick. Yeah, those pins are binding very tightly. Bit of give on a core. Come on. Got me wondering if I'm oversetting this now. Oh, no, there we go. It's open. Just the pins were incredibly stiff. So there we go. So that is tensioned with a hair grip, which is always good to have some hair grips in your kit. So there we go. That's my first ever out of a packet pick on what is an exceptionally cool little lock. So a Burg Watcher doohickey with incredibly stiff pins. I think I could have probably gotten away with a darn sight less tension in that. Okay, so that's lock one of many down, TD, and what promises to be a thoroughly interesting set of locks, which I'll open over the next few weeks, I think, if we're looking at things like the Fichet and the Ancolaz, which are definitely going to be towards the end of this set. But really appreciate the generous loan of some fantastic locks, and I will try and do them justice. So, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you're going to enjoy what then follows from the rest of these videos. Enjoy your picking. Cheers.